Hi guys, as the title says, I'm trying to self-host Noodle into a GCP platform, right? I'm trying to um, use the GCP as my backend. So um, I'm hoping you already know the basics. I'm not going to explain anything in detail. So I'm just gonna talk everything on point, right? So let's go. So for this, we need a database, and then the backend servers, and the front end hosting. So I believe we have to um, focus on these two things for now, uh, the backend and the database. And then MongoDB at last. So I've already set up my account, and I'm going to start a database. So this is Google Cloud, all right. And for Google Cloud, choose M0. I really hope I don't run into some major problems, right? So let me just say environment development name. So I have a project called BI. So I'm trying to create a dev environment. So I think that's it, right? All right. Create. Oh, there was an access. Okay, let me try again. Create access advanced configuration. I'm selecting free, and then Google Cloud, Mumbai, and then cluster tier, free forever, of course. Additional, I don't need that. BI dev, yep, nothing much in the advanced section. So, so after that, you have to create a new username. I think I already got a username and password because I've already tried creating DB. So where would you like to connect from? So this is the main important part, right? So um, I've had issues with this part, and I've spent almost a day trying to figure out why it wasn't. So the thing is, you need to make this database open to the internet. IP address. Okay. What? Okay. Yeah. I had my numlock on. So um, add entry. Okay. Finish and close. Um, go to overview. Okay. So after that, let's uh, let's open you know our doc again. I think the database is set up. Finish and close. So the thing is, they don't tell you anywhere in the doc that you have to open 0.0 point. Basically the internet. You have to make your database open to the internet, right? So that was a tricky part, which the community had helped me. So once your database is up and running, okay, create it, find the admin, click get it done. Done, connect, okay, make sure, okay, okay, password, alright. So, what is telling? So, let's do this. So, it's saying go to connect, drivers, then 3.6 later, and then this is my new URI. Or let me just, reset my password. So, go to database access, edit, then edit password, auto generate, show, copy. All right. So um, So this is the password. Okay, this is the password. And update user. Okay, and then go back to the database. Then connect drivers. Then copy the URI. Okay, then he says copy this into the password. Okay, and then create some, let's call it NoodleDB. So this has to be a database inside your cluster, right? So alright, we have our URI ready. Then okay, this is done, this is done. The backend service, right? So the community has a good video on AWS. So let me go with the GCP guide, and then it says cloud run and setting up. You need to use this image. Okay, all right, where is my cloud run? Then create a service. Okay, I think this is where you need to copy paste it. The service name, call this bi dev letter, contain lowercase letters. All right, bi dev bi backend bi backend dev. All right, and the thing is, you need to host it in the same region where your database is hosted, right? So um, just for latency purposes, I guess. I'm not sure, but that was a requirement. So Mumbai, there you go. Then okay, and then do we need anything else? Okay, another important unauthenticated request. Okay, we're going in the configuration. Okay, I think if we do this, it'll be better, right? Then let me make this a little smaller. All right, so cloud run. Mm, allow unauthenticated request. Ingress control. Nothing. For the container port is 3000. And okay, I don't want this name. Let me change it to so what would my service name? Backend dev, right? Let me call this service and bi backend dev container one. Alright, 3000, and then did I miss anything? Okay, allow. Alright, then add some variables. Okay, variable and secrets, environment variables. And let's copy paste these first. Master key, database URI, then public server is optional because I believe we need to use this if we want to use the cloud storage, right? So if you want to use the file storage, um, we'll set up in the next video the file storage, but for now let's just set up our database and then connect it to our backend public server. All right, with that in place, hit the create button, master key. All right, anything else? Execution environment, start CPU boost settings. Yep, looks good, looks good. Alright, this is gonna take some time, so let's speed it up a bit. Oh, okay. Define environment blocks. Why? Oh, because I didn't give the values for that. Oh shit. That was so stupid. So stupid. So stupid. Alright. Where is my container? So that was, man. Okay. So where should we get an app ID? You need to provide it when connecting. Okay, so we need to create this too. So let me say app ID is um let's just put it as app ID 1 itself. Master key, uh, let's use password generator. Never used one. I hope this is safe. Okay, not supposed to be safe, right? I use, okay, strong password. Let's, okay, this looks good. Master key, okay. So another thing which I was reading in the docs, right? So in the database URL, um, let's say you have a password which has, yeah, they gave us a link. So let me just go there, right? So yeah, this is something which you need to look into, right? If your password has any of these characters, then you need to do some percent encoding, convert these into percentage characters, and then you need to use that password in the string. So um, that's another thing which you can just fuck it up. Um, okay, where was I? Yep. So the database URL and NoodleDB. Alright, let's copy paste. Then everything looks the same. Let's go. Public, okay, with that in place, you can create a new service with that URL master key. Go back to the self-hosting guide. Okay, this is so. Let's wait for you know. Yep, our containers are up and running, and then we've got a URL. Let's copy this to clipboard and then go to go back to the self-hosting guide. Okay, and then connect your application. Yeah, this is pretty much straightforward. Thank you for a neat workflow for that endpoint. Yep, this is the endpoint, and the application app ID is app ID 1. The master key, okay, master key, I don't remember. Let's, this is master key. All right, name BI backend, let's call this GCP. All right, good luck. Let's hope this works. And service created. Then let's open a dashboard. Yep, it's working. Awesome, awesome. So let's test it out with a custom class. Let's say custom class test. Okay, create and add columns. The thing is, if you just create a new column and then go back to the database, I'm sure you can't. I mean, if you create a class and then go to the database, you can't see it created. You need to add add a row, and then only it's gonna show up. So what should we call it? Call it success. What's the default value? Success default value is success again, I guess. The required field, yeah, whatever, fuck it. Add and continue. Okay, I believe. Okay, where's that? Okay, it's if we're just about the column. Okay, let's add a row, and then success row. Let's, all right, this is auto. All right, custom with ID created. So let's go back to our database and give it a small check. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, trouble, not this. Yeah, I can see some spikes. Let's go inside. Okay, there was collections. Awesome, guys. We can see our custom class test. Oh, that's a typo. That's fine. And success cache. Awesome. It's working. If you have any doubts, feel free to give a comment or just email me, whatever. Thank you. Bye.